They're calm, they're patient, they keep the peace until they don't. Some zodiac signs can take a lot, but there's always a line, and when you cross it, you won't just see anger, you'll see eruption. These are the signs that snap when pushed too far, and when they do, it's unforgettable. Let's begin. Number 3, Taurus, the quiet storm. Taurus holds it in. They give you time. They try to stay grounded, but pressure builds. And when they finally lose it, you'll see the storm you didn't know was coming. They won't scream first. They'll endure. They'll explain. They'll warn. But if you keep pushing, they'll explode once, loudly, decisively, and then they'll shut you out like you were never there. Number 2, Cancer, the emotional volcano. Cancer doesn't like conflict. They retreat, they cry, they hope you'll notice. But when they're pushed past their limit, they go from soft to scorching. Their words cut deep, their tone shifts, and all that emotion they held in, it floods the room. You might not expect it, but Cancer feels everything. And when they can't hold it anymore, it erupts. Number 1, Scorpio, the final blow. Scorpio doesn't snap loudly, they snap deeply. You may think they're calm, you may think they're over it, but beneath the stillness is a ticking fuse. They don't yell, they strike. When pushed too far, Scorpio doesn't react, they calculate. And when they hit back, it's where it hurts most. It's not a tantrum, it's a lesson, and you won't forget it. So, are you one of these signs? Or have you pushed someone too far? If this hit close to home, like, subscribe, and check the description. There are 2 free gifts waiting for you. Until next time, don't test the quiet ones.